Hello, fourth graders. So we are reviewing comparative multiplication. A number is times as many as another number. So this is something that we see all the time in our life. We experience it. So let's say, for example, that we go to a cafe, all right? And in a cafe, let's say in a round table, let's say there are 5 chairs, okay? So if we have 5 chairs in each table, and in that cafe, let's say, for example, let's say there are 16 tables, okay? 16 tables, and we want to figure out how many chairs in total are in that cafe. So how many total chairs do we have? Okay, so one table carries 5 times, there are 5 times as one chair, right? So one table carries 5 times as many as one chair. Okay, so all right, if we have 16, how can we figure out the total? So this is a repeating pattern, right? Each table has 5. So if we have 16 tables, that means we're going to have 5 times 16. Okay? So remember that when we are multiplying, we are repeating the place values by that factor. So that means that 16, which is made of 6 ones and 10 and 1 10, is being repeated by 5. So 6 times 5 is 30, and 10 times 5 is 50. So in total, if we multiply 5 times 16, we're going to have 80 chairs. So for 16 tables, there are 80 chairs. Okay, so let's do another problem. Let's say we have 87 times 2. So here we are trying to figure the number that is 2 times as many as 87. What is that number that is 2 times as many as 87? So that means if we're multiplying 87 2 times, we eventually are going to multiply 7 once and 80 ones or 8 tens both by 2. And that will give us 2 times 7 is 14. And we can go by our ones. What's 8 times 2? 8 times 2 is 16 ones, right? So if we have it in tens, that would be 16 tens. We add the numbers, so make sure you place the numbers, the digits correctly. So we would have 160 plus 14. That would give us 174. Okay? 174 is 2 times as many as 87. Okay? So I hope this is a refresher for you. And if you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.